In my first year of trading, I've blown over $10,000 in capital. Now, if you're a new trader, these 7 traps I'm about to show you right now will drain your account. And I myself have fallen into every single one of these. Guys, I've been trading for over 8 years now, and I've managed to get a total of $1 million in funding capital. Now, still to this day, I see so many beginner traders making these exact 7 mistakes. Now, the number 7 one is the one that nobody wants to talk about. So stay tuned, guys, to the end of the video to see that mistake. So, number 1 will be over leveraging. So what I mean by that is what you are doing is when you first open an account, you deposit your money to the broker and you get onto MT5 or MT4 and you are placing way too big a lot size for your account. Meaning that if, for example, the trade does hit stop loss, what that means is pretty much that you'll blow your whole account. Now, this is exactly what you want to avoid. You want to make sure, guys, you're using the correct risk for your account, not over leveraging. Now, professional traders, they focus on risk management first and the profits later. Whereas the new beginner traders, what they tend to do is rather than focus on the risk management, they focus on the actual profits themselves because they're trying to get rich quick and trying to make as much money as possible in a very short period of time. Number 2 is risk management. That's pretty much a bit similar to over leveraging. However, this is a bit different because one, in terms of risking, is percentage wise. So most beginner traders that don't know how much they're risking per trade in their account, and most beginner traders will be risking 5 to 10% of their account on every single trade. So what that means, if you're risking, let's say 10% on a £100 or £500 account, whatever account, guys, you have, it will only take you 10 trades to blow your account. Now, if you're a beginner trader, you must admit you have more losing trades first than winning trades. Now, risking 10% will literally blow your account in possibly less than a week. So what I advise you guys is try to stick around to 1 to 2% per trade only. That way, you have way more leverage and be able to take way more trades and try and grow your account more slowly than more rapidly. There are many websites out there as well, guys, to help you actually work out your lot size to make sure that you're losing only 1 to 2% per trade. I've linked all of those for you guys down in the description to help you out there to be able to work out your lot size. To make sure that you're risking only 1 to 2% per trade. Now, the third one is probably one of the many of you guys actually heard is strategy hopping. Now, what I mean by that, there are many strategies out there, for example, ICT, supply and demand, indicators, and price action. Now, what many traders do is to hop between all 4 of them and never stick to one and try and master that strategy first. ICT being the main one that many people out there first tend to go to. However, once they don't see results in that, they let's say move to smart money concept, and let's say that doesn't work, they move to indicators. Indicators do work. However, I myself do not use indicators and I strongly rely only on my strategy that I have mastered myself, and it works for me as well. Number 4 will be revenge trading, and this is also a very big one. What happens is as soon as you hit a loss on your account, you tend to then place another trade to make that money back that you lost. Now, if that doesn't work, what you tend to do is over leverage, meaning that you're going to be placing bigger positions on your account to try and make the losses that you made in the account back. Now, this is the biggest mistake that many people lead to them not being profitable. Make sure, guys, to overtrade. Only 1 to 2 trades per day is enough for your account. Because if you tend to overtrade, what happens is you actually tend to have bigger losses, and then you have to try and make all those losses back again, which will take you way, way longer. Whereas if you hit a loss, for example, for the day, you leave that day, the markets are not in your favor, you come back the next day, you can easily make that loss back plus profit as well, as long as you've got a good risk reward ratio. Now, number 5 would be trading without a plan or any rules at all. Now, what I mean by that is you don't have an entry, you don't have an actual good stop loss or take profit because you're entering random positions in the market, having random stop loss, and you don't know where price is going, so you don't know where to place your TP at a good level. Now, without this, having a plan in trading and knowing exactly where the market's going to have a right stop loss to take profit, what you're doing is you're actually just gambling. So to avoid this, make sure first you have a good strategy. Look at the market, look where the daily, for example, candle is heading to, have the right side of liquidity, and there you can place your take profit. Moving on to number 6 is actually ignoring news events. So what I mean by that is many people out there, I mean myself, I can say I did the exact same mistake is trading news. Guys, avoid trading news. If anything, trade after news, after the initial move has happened, so you know where the market is heading. The main one being CPI. I see a lot of traders out there trading CPI, trying to gamble their money and trying to make quick profit or trying to pass evaluations very, very quickly. Now, I myself have done the exact same thing. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I've done the exact same thing where I've traded CPI, I had a funded account, and I wanted to make more money, so I traded CPI and ended up blowing not only my profit sales account, but also the account itself. Number 7, guys, the final one, which actually a lot of people do not talk about, is unrealistic expectations. Now, what I mean by that is many new beginner traders out there, what they think they can turn $500 into $10,000 or $100,000. And they try try to become profitable in just a couple of weeks, and that this is never going to work. Trading itself takes a very, very long time. As I always say to everyone that always wants to get into trading, it's not a get rich quick scheme. Some traders out there can get profitable in 6 months, a year, or even longer than a year. Do not rush the process. Stay disciplined, guys, and make sure you don't have unrealistic expectations when it comes to trading. Now, there are many more traps out there which cause beginner traders to actually lose their accounts and not be profitable. However, this video would be way too long. Make sure you guys comment down below in the description the hardest thing that you've come across when trading Forex. I'll reply, guys, to every one of you and trying to help you out. And I know myself, trading alone can be very, very difficult, guys. That's why I have my own community. So if you guys are interested in joining my community, have me as your mentor and have me help you guys become profitable like me and get up to $1 million of funding, guys. I'll leave all the links, guys, down in the description. Hopefully, guys, this video helps you. Make notes, stay disciplined, guys. Have a plan when it comes to trading. Only trade certain days where you can see the market is expanding, and that way, guys, you'll be sure to be profitable. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making more videos to help you guys out there to become profitable, as well as sharing a bit of my strategy as well. So, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.